Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. It's Enrico Jaco. I'm the Signal. We're powered by the mighty Team Alliance. Yo, I love trading. It's light work. It fits me mentally. Oh goodness, I love trading. Anyhow, got a trade last night. Did a closed out with a little win, little small profit. That's what we're looking for, though. I like to play defense and get smaller profits that I can count on consistently. I don't go for the huge amount of pips. I don't need 100 pips. I don't need 80,000 pips. I just need 5 to 10 pips all the time. I need them like that, and I need them consistently. Right? Those are my requirements. Other people requirements may vary, but that's how I'm kind of looking at my charts. Today, Friday, so with Freaky Friday, you know we got news today going on in the market. Fridays I do not trade. I'm not even on it until after maybe 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. After all the news, and today the news looks like it ends at 10:30, I believe, something like that. Like after all the news, then I'll get involved. I'm looking at prices. Price has been going up. It's been upswing. I'm going to continue looking in that upswing. I'm looking forward to even maybe continue past this 54 point, maybe make new highs and all that type of stuff. Maybe that's what I'm imagining. And then I'm looking at it losing steam around this area up here. It's a lot of historical price levels up here around 37.87, 37.58, 36.93. This starts about 30.70. So maybe price get around these areas and start scooching back down. Maybe that's what the play is. Not really sure right now. I'm biased right now. Like I said, today's Friday. To me, Fridays, anything is possible on Fridays because it's news. See, here's a news cycle for today. Let's see what we got. 5. We got news. Yeah, got news all day. Got news at 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Yeah, so it might get into these areas and just start, being very erratic because of the news cycles. I don't like to have any parts of that. But right now, I don't like to have any parts of it. But that being said, I know most likely I pull out a deep stop, and I'll probably hit my take profit before I hit a stop if I'm careful. But I don't feel like really being that careful on a Friday and risking anything, because these news patterns can have the market just shoot up, shoot down. It'll stay within the historical price levels usually, but what it will do, it will overshoot the price levels a lot of times first. So a lot of times, so with those overshoots, I don't really like to play all the time. Sometimes you just gotta you take what you feel is, you take what's real for you, what you're actually looking for, not something that you feel is a if. See, I don't like to trade on the iffy assumptions I have. I'll trade on the positive assumptions I have, even though they're both assumptions and neither is worth anything because they're just assumptions and it's not what the market may or may not be doing or will do. But I'm going to go with my positive assumptions before I do any iffy assumptions. All right? And my positive assumption here tells me that I'm going to continue upwards, and it might not even make it past this point, but let's just say it does, because it has to eventually challenge this, I believe. So this area though, if it doesn't resist, it probably is definitely going to support. Well, that's an obvious thing to say, but I believe this point is a point of interest right here in that area, to put it like that. What's the price at? 30.50 right now. You get it up 30, 70 maybe. 20 pips. 20 pips. A stop at 30.22. Right? To give you about one-on-one trade play. One-on-one risk reward. I want to trade with. You can't beat that. That's all good. That's all good. I'll take that. I have to take 1 to 3 odds on trades, because if it's a high probability trade, I know I'm going to hit it more than 3 times. I might hit it 10 times. I might hit it 10 times before I take a loss. So I look at those things, high probability trades all the time, and behavior of the market. Okay, I'm saying Enrico Janko. I'm the Signal. We're powered by the Mighty Team Alliance. Right now, our bias is neutral in the market.